Korak, where is the PDF?
EOD sir, EOD. Do you face this problem as well? Bored in the office but can't really use Instagram because bosses and seniors everywhere want to scroll through Insta and check your updates, but hey, your boss won't let you do that. Well, let me tell you something, guys. I've got just the hack for you. Insta on your laptop. It's even more fun and super accessible. Want to know how? Here we go. How to post to Instagram on a desktop or laptop. Well, let me tell you guys, you can access Instagram on your PC or Mac or just a laptop using a web browser. आप फीड रिव्यू कर सकते हो, लाइक और कमेंट कर सकते हो, आप आसानी से अपना प्रोफाइल भी देख सकते हो and somebody else as well. You can follow and unfollow people also. Instagram also recently added the ability to send and receive DMs. So now you can easily slide into your crush's DM from the laptop itself. You can also post photos or videos. How? अभी बताता हूँ. Go to Instagram.com and log in. Obviously, click on the Create New Post button, drag an image or a video file to the Create New Post window that appears. Alternatively, click Select from Computer, navigate to the file that you want to post and select Open. The photo or video appears in the window. Click the magnifying glass in the lower left corner of the window to zoom in on the image if you want to crop it. Then drag it to the desired position in the window. Select the double arrow icon to select a specific aspect ratio for the post. If you want to add more images, click the multiple photos button on the lower right corner. Click the plus sign that appears and add up to 9 more pictures or videos. Click next to continue. On the Filters tab, select a filter to apply if you want to. On the Adjustments tab, adjust aspects such as brightness, contrast and saturation. Click next to continue. Add a caption, obviously, tag people and don't forget to add hashtags. Click share when you're totally ready to share the post with your followers. And voila, you have posted from a laptop. How to use Instagram for Windows desktop app. Okay, guys, here's the thing to understand. Desktop apps are designed for Windows and Mac OS. There's no official Instagram desktop app for Windows 10 or 11 or even Mac OS for that matter. You can only use the mobile app on Windows 10 or 11 and Mac OS. The good news though is that there are ways to get around this issue, and that's where I come in. Instagram for PC Windows 10 or 11 is a third-party desktop app in the Microsoft Store. This is an excellent alternative to the browser version of the app, though it lacks some features. It's a lightweight app that's easy to install and use as well. You can view your feeds, like and comment on photos, follow people, also unfollow them, and share your images as well. It also has exclusive features like adding hashtags, viewing your profile, and seeing who's online. You know what that means, right? You can stalk anybody at any point of time, even your crush. Office mein baithe baithe. AirDroid Cast. Now AirDroid Cast is available on Mac PC. It's a lightweight app that's easy to install, free to download and use as well. If you want to know how to download Instagram for PC, AirDroid Cast is here to the rescue. This app has numerous powerful features that might be useful to larger businesses. After you successfully cast your phone device directly to your Mac PC with this app, you can now fully explore Instagram from your Mac PC as you would on your phone device. Kisi ko pata bhi nahi chalega. In the next part, we will show you how to use Instagram on PC and Mac. Here are the simple steps to use AirDroid Cast. Step 1. Install AirDroid Cast on both your devices. Download AirDroid Cast onto both your phone and computer by clicking the download button below. You also can search for this app from Google Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Start connecting via AirPlay. This feature is only available on iOS and macOS devices. Step 3. Use Instagram on Mac. Now the Android device screen will be displayed on Mac and the control function will be activated automatically. So now you can open Instagram on your phone and enjoy it on your Mac. किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा. Guys, आजकल की new age दुनिया में your Instagram profile is quite literally your social resume. You must be able to access your account from both your phone and your laptop. Let us know what other issues you face while accessing Insta from your PC or your laptop. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content. अरे बॉस भी इंस्टा पे ऑनलाइन है यार. Sir, the PDF is ready. Should I mail you or DM you?